Yo, what up? It's the Cosmic here. I just wanted to go over Mark today. Just a little bit of great news coming out with Mark, and they announced that they're pending FCC approval to get their fast receiver mounted on a wall or turnstile. They're trying to get this device to where it can actually be placed in important locations. And not only that, I hop over to my Discord. By the way, Anonymous Traders Discord server. We're alerting news fast. This is actually one of the main way I found it was Benzinga. Benzinga was the first to announce it versus any other news source, and then I started seeing it in my chat room. And then right here, you see that they're tweeting, and they actually approved their FCC. Their FCC was approved, and they are soon to be GDPR compliant, which will allow them to put their thermal cameras in Europe, which is a huge deal. On top of that, they have earnings coming up, which will be announced on the 23rd, which will be announcing their revenue that they've brought in from all these big contracts. One of the biggest ones to be said is Win, the one that we know is confirmed. So keep an eye out on Mark. It's going to keep moving. Right here in my Discord server, I actually say in our stock alerts that Mark has one ARIND 050 saying that Mark has a nice symmetrical triangle and could squeeze into the close. And I agree, the shorts will be scared for holding overnight as the FCC news spreads. And this was a heavily shorted stock if the shorts didn't already get out. They didn't already take their profits as it was going down here into the 218s. So this was actually a beautiful short play. After this spike right here in the 277s, just to hold that short for a few days. But this is the problem with holding. This is long or short. And especially on a stock that is hyped up, it ran off hype into its last earnings and then just crapped. And it's just having huge spikes off PRs. This right here, honestly, was a nice short squeeze. And we'll see what happens. I'm very excited for Mark. I will see. I plan on holding up into the fours. I can see that easily going into earnings. I may take my position and hold it for a little bit, take a little bit off of it once it hits my target and hold it past it through the earnings. But you can see right here, I know my portfolio isn't awesome, but this is me learning how to swing trade. I got in a little too heavy and didn't allow myself to position build as I should have. So, but Mark, it's doing remarkable. So I love it. You guys let me know what you think, and also vote for my next video, which will be today. It's how to find key price levels, how to make a watch list, E-Trade Pro tutorial, or me doing the Numa Numa dance. Other than that, thank y'all so much. Like, subscribe, share.